is still on the journey from Austria to Nigeria. My journey from Austria to Nigeria, my first visit to Nigeria after I relocated to join my husband 3 years plus ago. And I came with my son Jeremy. Yeah, he's just woke up. It's in the morning here in Nigeria. Yeah, can you see the young man? Can you see the young man? I don't know if you can see him. That's Jeremy. Jay, say hi. Yeah, and that's my younger sister. Yeah, you know, it's early morning and they're still sleeping. I am unboxing my luggage, like the things I brought for my friends, the gifts I brought for my friends, and I think I should carry you guys along in every step of this journey as much as I can. So those are the luggages I've got. I came with 5 luggages, and yeah, came with 5 luggages. That's one of it. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of it, and this is one. That's the third. That's the third one. It's a black luggage. I have a gele on top because I'm going for a wedding, and I have the pink and the other one over there. Yeah, you know. So I have already shared some things with some persons like my mother-in-law, my mom, and you know, like that. So, and another of my very close friend, yeah, yesterday I saw her and I gave her her gift and for her kids. Yeah, they've been really nice to me. Like almost all my life, these people have been part of my life emotionally, you know, prayerfully, and you know, they've been there for me. So sometimes you just need to appreciate these persons in your life in one way or the other. It's not like the things are enough, but just to show gratitude for them being part of your life. That's it. These persons can actually afford these things. They have money, they can afford it. But you know, showing love, just showing love to people, I think is really important. So that's why I'm doing this. It's not like I have too much money, but I just want to express my love to them. Yeah, this one is for one of my friends. That's for her daughter. I have a lot of it. The lens I told you guys, I have a lens for her mother, because I feel people in Nigeria, a lot of them, especially the old persons, they have one eye issue or the other, and so many cannot really afford it, and some cannot they don't see it as something that is important. So I bought for a lot of persons, but I don't think I'll be able to be showing all. But this is what some of them looks like. I have different design. Yeah, for reading, I bought it for those that I think will be needing it. Yeah, I bought a lot. I've already shared some to my mother-in-law, to my mom. They all need it too. So this is for my friend's mom. It's inside a bag too. You know, I just picked things randomly for everybody, you know. And that is for somebody too. There's a perfume inside, and I think I still have something else for her. You can see there's a perfume. Can you see that there's a perfume inside? I know they are going to appreciate it. Nothing is too small, guys. Nothing is too small. Just show love to somebody. Yeah. And I also have some in here for somebody too. Yeah, this is for my sister-in-law. I have some things inside a lot. I cannot really start unboxing everything now, but just to carry you guys through, I have some things for her. Yeah. So thanking God for them being part of my life too. Yeah, they've been nice to me. And guys, that's it. I think this will be going to our house because my siblings, you know, share it, and that's it guys. And I'll be going for a wedding, so just come along with me and let's see how it looks like, plus the makeup for today. So I'll bring the makeup part of it into this video too. Yeah, thank you.
Blessing. What did they make you big like this? I did it for my never born you.
Which one is for standing?
The bottom doesn't have the bottom doesn't have something that can stand it. That's the problem.
If you get a content, I'll make you ask for grace for the reception. Read the room 32. Read the director.
Sorry, man.
Okay.
Definitely almost
Look at the-
because
look at
some
the-
almost we go up small, but
Yeah.
just
They cut your head.
no here, here.
We'll work on here. Yeah, sit. Let's be sure that it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right? Good, right?
Yeah, hi guys. It's your girl Grace. I'm doing the makeup section for the traditional marriage, and that is my friend Omo. This is our beautiful makeup artist. What's her name? Effie. Yeah, she will do wonders. You guys will see. I will drop her contact and everything there so that you guys can patronize her whenever you visit. Like, you know my face now, so if she can do justice to my face, I wonder how you will look like at the end of the day. You know I have a lot of acne, so let's see how it goes. You not like her? Nah, casual shoe. Now if you wear and go out, you wear and go anywhere. Now what did I wear yesterday? Now what I did show I see Maya for her down. She liked it.
Nice she wear yesterday now. Use like this when I wear.
And everybody was looking at it. And you be small picking.
What if your own for inside
I work for you. You be small picking. You not be small picking.
I was scared, eh?
Dogs.
Me and leggings we go dey wear. You know say leather don come. Ballet skirt. Oh, so cute.
I'm not a baby anymore.
What be your problem? So you no go put one shirt for me inside this thing.
Don't worry, I will give you shirts. I never open the bag.
They go not let you go out with any cloth.
I don't even get space. I won't carry food. So
I
go leave many.
Blessing, they go
The only problem now, if you're not busy,
maybe
you
like
see
on
me.
the before she go like on the 30 something, 38th day, don't go out so not come back. I don't want to see you here. Because it is, she's not taking any cloth back. You cannot bring cloth to Nigeria and not come and carry it back. Who does that? We go buy a goosey and a bolo for you to put inside your bag. Wait till they go. Okay, now this one is you give my mom. Oh no! This one is so strong. Ah! That white one is perfect for me.
Okay, if you want to take your mom.
No, I just saving everything for eye. No, that one's strong.
This line was
Yeah, oh. No, in a cab, I want to see this sneakers. Me when I get big leg, not because God bless you. See me, they go travel with this street tomorrow. I feel that in that is soft. If I wear normal sneakers, before I go reach where I go, my leg don't swear.
Now, what's it make me buy you this kind of shoes? I feel say they always they on the walk. So
my leg don't swear.
if I buy you all those with big canvas, and another thing that the problem I had was your size.
My leg don't swear. You not see my size, by.
I see beautiful shoes where they're cheaper than these shoes, but I did not see you guys' size.
That may be our size be our problem.
and theater play, we like play.
Mm. If I make up, people they look me like. What did she rub on her face? I'm not comfortable. Okay, so we'll come this side.
No, it will be too much.
No, auntie, see your level in case if you want to come on line level. There you will.
Yes, okay, the line and they go for by. No, if you're like this, can you see the other camera?
Let me see. Yeah. Adjusted this camera and this. Ah.
Hello? Good morning. Hmm? No, what they do? Oh, no, it's not far. How you been? Okay. Happy New Year. Yeah, Lizzie wins now. My network really. Alright, thank you for calling me.
Tell auntie to play.
What?
Auntie is not playing.
Let's see how we proceed.
Uncle said,
Now you want to listen when you
he won't play. The auntie not the agree play. Hey, auntie is not playing. Auntie is not playing. Sorry. Ó lè rẹ̀ àkú ọgọ́rùn-ún wá.
What? Want to go and meet Auntie Blessing? Hmm? Go and meet Auntie Blessing. Hmm? You what?
Can I carry him?
No. She don't fit down. You don't fit carry am. What? Sorry, me. What happened?
Where is our phone? See that phone?
Call your daddy. Go. Yeah, take. Come and call your daddy. Yeah, call your daddy.
Press and make it.
Say hello to daddy.
Hello? Ikamia ni amawe edo deta kinuala. Uko no lemba ni mme na de ni la dia nwe oke.
Talk to daddy. Say hello to daddy. Looking at him, American Wonder Woman. Oh my God.
So if I want to know how to make rice,
Exhibit one. I like exhibit. You love exhibit. You love exhibit. What happened? Call your dad's number. Or your mommy's number. Yeah, call that. Dial your mommy's number. That, yeah.
Is there anything?
Now for one body party.
Ogiso.
Ogiso. I didn't get Papa as it.
Yes.
Oh. When I'm back this side.
But on Saturday na Sapler Road.
Yeah.
Sapler Road.
Which which
This reception where they say whether now someone will get on.
what reception position or someone like it?
They are along Sapler Road. I will check the address. I'll send you. Now then they do the hotel. They come with a package of decoration and then they decorate.
And some hotel they like that. There are plenty for Sapler Road, but not much like that.
After Santana Market.
Okay, that new one. Eh? You know the place?
Maybe after something.
Now 2 days after Satana now.
Which one again?
Okay, the other one.
The other one are before.
The first one, the only session.
How you doing? Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, please, Abi, as we talk. Okay. Oh yeah, now maybe bring things out. Sorry.
Welcome. What happened? Sorry.
But tell them when they give you 2 plastic chairs, they will see.
And this one is sorry, plastic chairs.
Excuse me.
Sorry, ma. I think you guys are going to do it outside here.
Not too fast,
Because me and I don't mix up on that thing. But auntie, that scarf where they there, so look at. I messed up. I'll show you the style I want to use outside later if it's possible. But not today.
Wow, this is strong.
Now some of my makeup artists they talk so.
Now you go
stand pass for a time.
where will put the shirt?
Outside now as you talk. Just open the door.
You know where they go now.
Okay, the open door, eh?
Mosquito now.
I just see.
Okay. You don't want to make up you. Why not? Check the outside.
Really?
They can manage you now.
Because it's
They
tight
can
now.
manage you. They just could be training. Because for makeup for
Outside, not good there. Blessing, you feel clear them when I use them. Put the things inside bed.
Create a space.
because without outside, it doesn't make sense.
Because I don't want you guys to mix your things up.
We wouldn't show take our things there.
I think I create one space for them. I have it.
Ijo! Oh, your matter, eh?
Jeremy will work. Who might tell music, you know, we are
Hey, didn't I did it? I remember she said that cough go now.
Fine.
I will cough go.
I bet Jay come now, no, you know, disturb us.
Where will cough go?
You go disturb me, baby.
Want to make up?
Every day.
You want to make up?
Every day. Hey, Jackie, baby. If they want that, say, now my mom be this. See the way my son is looking at me.
You know you have things on your face.
What's this?
This white one.
Why not put the other luggage? So now they must be second. Put the other luggage. Mary like. If they have no friend, Mary like.
don't mind, right?
Oui, Mary like. We have no friend.
Well, we don't know Gamma. Well,
Let's say we want to marry you. Oh, sorry.
Hey, see him lights for there, now. Me, I don't want to pay for anything now. I don't have extra money to give. Do you have any other thing you want to bring in?